Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with today's morning show. Okay, so Fabrizio Romano can they give us updates. Say Arsenal don't get the choice of the director of football within the find to replace it. Gaspar as I don't they in advanced talks to sign Andrea Berta. You get now when you look how Fabrizio Romano reports the story, he say I understand Andrea Berta is now the top candidate to become new Arsenal director in order to replace it. Gaspar discussions already took place. Berta left Atletico Madrid after building Atletico Madrid team with key signings in recent years. Now talks done for advanced stage. It's not done, it's not sealed yet, but it is at an advanced stage. So many media houses carry this story using Fabrizio Romano as their source. Yet even now Arsenal carry the same story. Now, who is Andrea Berta? I can see the list of some of the players where this man signed for Atletico Madrid to show his mettle, to show say he know this business when it comes to transfer. This guy spent an estimated expenditure of 828 million euros signing Rodri. You get when I resign Rodri, who Atletico Madrid sold to Villarreal. Some of the notable signings where he make now David Villa, Suarez, Jan Oblak will be the best goalkeeper wey Atletico Madrid they use till today. Now he signed Griezmann, now he signed Diogo Jota, now he signed Diego Costa, Kieran Trippier, Marcos Llorente, Lemant, Carrasco, Toby Alderweireld, Steven Savage, Marco Romaso, all players, Yakpa Manzuki, Gerald Jimenez, Alvaro Morata, Matheus Cunha, Julian Alvarez. The Julian Alvarez is not coming from Man City now run now because so show say the guy know the business. So when I say the name, I don't really know Wimby. Now through research, I can learn about the man. Say yes, if this kind of person did for us and for the January transfer window we finish, no how. You go tell me say this man with a plethora of contacts when he get, he no go sign one person. Ajay, this man he leg long, he get mouth for the business, which means he's well respected. So are they happy? So Mojo, like Fabrizio Romano talk, the deal is not done yet. So all things being equal, made them conclude the deal. So once that be the case, we'll see what's going to happen. Even say we can't even say AC Milan the dragon with us. Say he rejected one of Europe's biggest clubs in favor of working at Arsenal because he loves the Arsenal project. He has seen it because when you read the entirety of that CBR report, they say despite Arsenal refusing to confirm Andrea Berta being offered the role as sporting director, sources have told CBR football chief correspondent Graham Bailey that the 53-year-old has already agreed initial terms with the North London club. Now, Berta has emerged as a leading contender. He gets so now everything will just a year as a rejected AC Milan. So it is what it is. Because when you look beneath the headline, you see where they say CVR can reveal that Andrea Berta turned down the chance to talk to European giants AC Milan as it looks to land the position at Arsenal. So it is what it is. More just to watch. In the coming days, you might get like an announcement. Okay, Arsenal don't get this one because they will try to wrap up this thing before the summer transfer deal will happen. Now, based on say today and Monday, tomorrow and Tuesday will play Champions League. So I believe Arsenal supposed to travel today because the first leg now away. You get now. I think they're supposed to do press conference today to give us team news. Who they fit, who know they fit. More know what will happen for the match. One PSV. I will try to see how we take salvage our season. Now for this FA Cup we just finished. Pep Guardiola was quoted while Fabrizio Romano the report. Pep Guardiola was complaining of the FA Cup ball. Say this particular ball, the proper, and say we have to be clear about that. Why is this thing news? Because it came one time where during the Carabao Cup, Ateta was complaining of the ball. People gonna laugh at Ateta. They talk. Even Pep self talk and say if to say maybe they lose against Plymouth Angle, people go say that because we lose, they talk and say no, they win. But yet the ball they fly anyhow. So the ball that they use for the FA Cup is quite different from the ball that they use for the Carabao Cup and quite different from the ball when they use for the EPL. So something where you know really they're used to. Therefore, use the same ball where people they use for the EPL. But those when they come from Championship now go still they complain because I want to believe the ball that is in the EPL is quite different from the ball they use in the Championship. So at the end of the day, by the complaint, even the Mirror carried this particular story. Pep Guardiola shares Mikel Arteta complaints as Gunners transfer failure late bird. So it is what it is. Make us see whether they go attack Pep Guardiola. I seen the echo waiting Arteta said they talk about the ball. Say, Kokoma use ball we know. Because this ball, it flies a lot. Now, from nowhere, Man City shock everybody. Say Rodri can be back on the pitch before the end of the season, Pep Guardiola confirms. Now, Rodri don't do small individual training, he don't touch ball, he feels confident, he's happy, so he can be back before the Club World Cup, already in the Premier League. Maybe. What? But just see, because I know he's the best player in the world right now, so it is what it is. Now, yesterday, I the report say Arsenal won't use this jersey play for the match we will play tomorrow. So for those who never really see how the combination looks like, this is how it's going to be, because from the report to the reach me, they say Arsenal will wear the black away kits with white shorts to avoid a kits clash for their away first leg against PSV in the Champions League round of 16. They say Arsenal use this same jersey when they face PSV in the Europa League group stage in October 2022. This same idea they get this picture again. So like this same jersey we go use so that our jersey will clash with our host jersey. So now they say Arsenal received massive Gabriel Martinelli boost to get. So now you know Gabriel Martinelli they injured, but Brazil now don't put a provisional list of players where them invite for this international matches they go play anytime soon. So Martinelli name they there. So people gonna add 1 + 1 = 2 say, does that mean that Martinelli is going to come back before the international break, so that he will come be available for Arsenal after the international break? But another people going to really say, even if Martinelli comes back before the international break, why he go first of all go play for Brazil before he go play for Arsenal? It don't make sense. Person they come from injury, we never text them to know whether they're okay or not. When I can't go carry one first use and play, does it make any sense? These are questions people are asking in the media space. So I don't really know how now take say but make you first come back first. We're going to argue when go play, where you no go play. So my will say make him come back first. Now, France 24, who are one of the reputable media organizations down there in France, so they're going to say Champions League football now be the only thing will remain with the notable where Arsenal fights for this season, because domestic cups are gone, the league is gone. Arsenal only have Champions League, and this is their chance to salvage their season, a chance to win something this season, in as much as I share their sentiments. But when you look at it, where the players where Arsenal want to win the competition, as them they talk. When you read the entirety of this France 24 report, they said a whole lot. They said it like they talk too much. Again, they praise Arsenal, boost Arsenal morale, but well, it is what it is. More just the see. But first of all, knock PSV. If we don't come up PSV for road, then our boys will come back after the international break. We'll see. We'll see how it will go. You get. Now, look at what is happening with Martinelli. When you say Barcelona, they plan player plus cash bid to sign 23-year-old Arsenal star. Now, you know, say based on the report, they say Arsenal they likely if it sell Martinelli, they fit sell Trossard, probably why Barcelona self on the reasons. Okay, let's see what we can do. So when you read the entirety of the report, you see here Barcelona talks that will give us Ansu Fati, because Ansu Fati is deemed that surplus to requirements there in Barcelona. It's a bit like Ansu Fati, a bit like Ferran Torres. They're not really the first 11, but I don't say Arsenal the reason De Jong. So maybe the Fokukuma at De Jong, they are offering 45 million plus one player. Maybe they will give Arsenal a pack of players. Arsenal can't choose the one way them like. I don't really know whether or not they want to do show, but we just watch and see how all this thing will unfold. In fact, for me personally, I don't think Arsenal will sell Martinelli. All these things are just conjectures, rumors. Personally, I don't think say Arsenal will sell Martinelli, because I thought I really like the guy. And the guy said he see they develop. So if you just add dribbling to in game and shooting from outside, about that guy will become a beast. Yeah. So you just start just 23. The Bible reach 25, say about 27. You get, so that's what it just be. You just bring the argument to me and somebody they make. When they talk about Isaac, do you know that the season where Isaac first come for this Arsenal, I think that was the 2023-24 season. You get, when he first goal, he scored only 10 goals. 10 goals and 1 or 2 assists. That season, Gabriel Jesus even scored more goals than Isaac. But see Isaac now, he don't grow from strength to strength, while Gabriel Jesus go from strength to misery. So now so it be. So this Martinelli now, when it looks okay, how many years he done there, but he still be small you. in the next maybe 4 years now, this Martinelli will see now if he can't develop into something else. So if you say you no go really know, you get so more no just dey quick. In as much as we criticize them, but I think they need to get a special coach for him. Mean the teacher how to dribble, you get, because he has blistering pace, and that pace they're not buy him for markets. He get good pace. How I wish if you come that pace, transfer him to Trossard. Trossard go come become beast, you get, but it's get some they get so now so you just it's about Osimhen. You know, there's this rumor say Osimhen to Manchester United is done and dusted, is completed. So Romano can explain say na lie you. This is today news. Say na lie. There's nothing like that. Say another thing where they hold Manchester United from signing getting this Osimhen. Now the money the guy they collect in a year, 12 million euros per year. Look at Manchester United, they're trying to cut costs. Because they say they go pay person 12 million euros. Can they afford that? You get, so Manchester United never really conclude whether they won't go for Osimhen. You get, so Osimhen still they open to many of now when season end, we will know how to you see stylishly now nobody they mention Gyökeres and Manchester United. If now you be Gyökeres now where you did now, you got to scamp man you see how they struggle, see how they suffer. You get, they are very close to relegation. Why you can't go join them? If you go join them, are you joining them because you are ambitious, or are you joining them because you don't know what they are doing? Look at what Amorim will talk about. Listen, they don't command about FA Cup. Fulham knock them out. Amorim going to talk say their aim and objective now moving forward now to win the league. We make Rooney, when we one of that senior man come outside and say, you are a bit naive. You never qualify for Europa Conference League or Europa League or even Champions League. You are talking about skipping all this ABC. You want to go and be studying why? So you are a bit naive. So Americans say, well, we are not naive. So a club like Manchester United should be winning for the Baba qualify for top 4 now line by line. You won't go jump, go first. Oh, the drama where they are put there, I know they laugh. And I was telling somebody that look at where Amorim has led Manchester United to. Eric Ten Hag no do this one before the sack. But because of shame, they no go fit sack. Because normally this guy don't perform worse with the same players where Ten Hag gets. He perform worse. She made the fire him. So these are the issues, administrative issues get. So well, it is what it is. Now let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited, into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +23480 +2348064642234. They are located at number 7, Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the day. Number 5, Fabrizio Romano let us know say Arsenal in advanced talks to sign Andrea Berta as our sporting director. This man was once the director, technical director before director of football for Atletico Madrid, where he bought all these quality players. This guy spent an estimated expenditure of 828 million euros, bringing 52. Like the guy brings some kind of quality names so you know in world football. So my prayer, I'm making come ask, I'm making replicate some of all those things. Get us quality players to help us move the mission to the permanent site. All right, my dear lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end until I come your way later in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now be a mouse. All right, guys. Now bye-bye.